Hey guys, I know there's a YouTube video attached to the Week at a Glance that is posted on Google Classroom that explains how to solve inequalities. This video is just to supplement that one. This is the first 6 problems for your assignment. I'm going to work them out for you, and then the last 6 problems are your responsibility, and we will go over the names of each of these inequality symbols as we go. So the first question, you have 2x plus 5 is greater than 13. So we're going to start just like we would when we're solving equations. By subtracting 5 from both sides. All right, so when we do that, our 5's cancel and we're left with 2x is greater than 8. So then to get x by itself, we have to divide by 2. And our final answer, we're left with x is greater than 4. Which means that I can plug in any number that is greater than 4 and get an answer. So if I put in 5, I would get 2 times 5, which is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is greater than 13. So now let's move on to number 2. Number 2, we have x minus 4 divided by 3 is less than or equal to 5. So what that means is any number that we plug in for x when we do the math has to come out to something that is less than or equal to 5. So because we have division, the first thing we're going to do is multiply by 3. So we're left with x minus 4 less than or equal to, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? So in effort to get x by itself, we add 4 to both sides, leaves us with x less than or equal to 19, which means I can plug in any number less than or equal to 19 and I will get something that makes this equation true. Okay, so to move on, we have 5x minus 7 is greater than or equal to 8. So in effort to solve the equation, we're going to add 7 to both sides. Gives us 5x greater than or equal to 15. So and again, to get x by itself, we divide by 5. And you're left with x greater than or equal to 3. All right, the next 3 problems. X divided by 2 plus 4 is less than 7. So again, we want a number that is going to give us an answer that is less than 7. So 6 or smaller. So we start by subtracting 4 from both sides. Okay, gives us x over 2 less than 3. So to get x by itself, we have to multiply by 2. Our 2's are going to cancel. We're left with x is less than 6. So we could put in 6. 6 divided by 2 would be 3. 3 plus 4, is 7. Okay? So we need something less than 6. So we have 9x minus 3 greater than 6. So we start with the add 3 to both sides. Okay? Gives us 9x is greater than 9, because our 3's are canceling out. Divide by 9. X has to be greater than 1. Okay? So here We have 11 plus 3x is less than or equal to 17. So the first thing we're going to do, just like when we're solving our equations, is subtract 11 from both sides. So we're left with 3x less than or equal to 6. So we want a number that's going to give us something smaller than 6. So we divide by 3 to get x by itself. And we're left with x less than or equal to 2. Okay, that's as far as y'all have to go for these equations, is just solve them and simplify them so that you end up with x less than, and your inequality symbol and then a single value. If you have any questions along the way, send me an email, or I will be doing a live Zoom session at 1 o'clock that you are feel free, you can join and ask any questions that you want at that time. Miss you guys, and we'll talk later. Bye.